Hello. Hello, everybody. My name is Ron Yam, CEO and co-founder of Novasight. At Novasight, we pride ourselves as being the global leader in pediatric digital vision solutions. We are active in 3 different segments of the market. The first one is diagnostics, where we have our EyeSwift vision assessment device, which is being distributed globally by Luxottica, mainly in Europe. And we are working on the 2nd generation device now, the EyeSwift PRO. On the treatment side, we have our CureSight lazy eye treatment device, which just completed a pivotal study towards FDA clearance. And the 2nd generation device of this device will also have CI treatment ability. On the prevention and monitoring side, we're going to come up with our TrackSight pipeline software application that will allow for myopia prevention, eye fatigue monitoring, and educational purposes. We will not discuss this TrackSight application today. In terms of technology, everything that we do is based on eye tracking. So we have an infrared sensor that tracks the position and gaze direction of the eyes about 90 times per second. This is an objective information and highly accurate. I will start with our amblyopia lazy eye treatment device, the CureSight, which was just won the Red Dot award for the best design product. So lazy eye amblyopia is affecting about 3% of the population, and this is a leading cause of vision loss in children. The gold standard treatment, which is patching, is suffering from very low compliance of about 40%, high rate of reoccurrence of about 25%, and this is basically a monocular treatment. So in order to solve this issue, we came up with our CureSight home treatment of lazy eye. Now the concept is the following. The kid is wearing blue-red glasses and watching his favorite content. Now this could be anything. So just imagine Netflix, YouTube, Zoom, Disney, whatever the kid likes to see and is streamed online. Now, what we're doing at the background are 2 things. First, we separate the content to the 2 eyes using real-time color conversion. And then we blur only the center of vision of the strong eye according to the momentary gaze position. The size of the blur and the intensity of the blur are corresponding to the severity of amblyopia. This way, we stimulate the brain to first start working with the amblyopic eye, but then also to create binocular vision and stereoscopic ability with 3D perception. So the device is not a standalone device. It is connected through the cloud to the physician, and the physician has a full monitoring capability remotely. In terms of the regulatory status, we proved the safety and efficacy of the treatment during 2018 in a pilot study. And during the last 2 years, we've been running a pivotal study, a randomized controlled study against gold standard patching over a group of 103 subjects. In this study, not only that we proved non-inferiority, which was a primary endpoint, but actually the results of the CureSight were better than patching. And this is the first ever successful pivotal study against a gold standard patching. We're now running additional 2 additional studies, one in the US and one in China. In terms of the regulatory status, we're already granted with CE mark for Europe, and we expect FDA clearance around September of this year. In terms of the US business model, the journey starts with the staff, with the clinic buying 1 EyeSwift device to serve as a diagnostic tool for monitoring of amblyopia and other indications, but also to serve as a demo device to demo the treatment to the family. Now, once the clinic staff is uploading both the clinical and logistic data to our web platform, our monitoring center, which is already active in the US, is starting with benefit investigation, then delivery of the device directly to the home of the patient, and then remotely monitoring compliance and technical support for a leasing period of 4 to 6 months at the home of the patient. While this is happening, the clinic is monitoring remotely automatically generated reports, and all of these are eligible. The clinic staff work and the monitoring center work are eligible for CPT codes that we generated specifically for the treatment. A few words about our EyeSwift vision diagnostic device. As I said, we're now running the 2nd generation development that will offer binocular vision, myopia monitoring, digital strain, amblyopia monitoring, reading analysis, visual health, and pediatric ophthalmology tools. With this, I would like to thank you and urge you to join our first group of early adopters and start prescribing CureSight. Thank you very much.